In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to use the Trezor Cold Wallet, from buying it, setting it up, and transferring your crypto in. Then, if you have paper hands, I will also show you how to withdraw your cryptos back out to an exchange. Finally, I will share some things to take note of when you are using the Trezor. Alright, let's jump right in. If you have not gotten the Trezor yet, you can get it using the link down below. The one that I got is the Trezor Model T, which has a touchscreen, but it costs slightly more. If you want to save money, you can just get the cheaper Trezor Model One. Personally, I don't think there's too much difference, but before you buy, just check to make sure that your coins are supported, yeah? After you have ordered, depending on where you are from, the delivery can take as fast as 3 days to arrive to a few weeks to arrive. So just wait a bit, yeah? Alright, our device has arrived. Let's do a quick unboxing video. So that was a super extra, totally unnecessary unboxing video. Now, let's set up our device. To do this, we will first have to download the Trezor app. So just head over to the website, go to App, click Get for Desktop. Once you have installed, open up the app. It will then ask you to connect your Trezor. So just plug in the USB. Then click Set up Trezor. If it's your first time setting it up, you will need to update the firmware. So just do that. Once you are done, click Continue. Then click Create New Wallet. Here, you can choose between a standard seed backup or advanced Xiaomi backup. I will just do it the easy way and go for the standard seed backup. Then confirm on Trezor. Click Create Backup. Okay, this part is super important, so pay close attention. First, your seed backup lets you recover your funds in case of a Trezor loss or damage. Second, never take a picture or make a digital copy of your backup. And third, store your seed backup securely and never share it with anyone. Next, click Begin Backup. You will then see a list of words on Trezor. Copy it onto the seed phrase card that is provided. Once you are done, you will need to verify the words that you have copied. So just do that. Alright, the wallet backup is now complete. The next step is to set a PIN code for additional security. So click Continue to PIN, then choose your PIN code. Once you are done, click Continue. Choose the coins that you want to activate. I will just select Bitcoin and Ethereum here. Then click Complete Setup. And congrats! You are finally done with setting up your Trezor. The rest of the steps will be super easy, barely an inconvenience. I will now show you how to transfer your cryptos over to your Trezor. I'm using KuCoin here, but the steps will be more or less similar no matter which platforms you use. Look for the crypto that you want to withdraw, then click Withdraw. It will then ask you for a withdrawal address. So head over to the Trezor app, click Receive. Make sure you have selected the correct crypto, then click Show Full Address. At the bottom, copy the address, head back, paste it in. Choose the correct network to send through. Then enter the amount to send over. Pro tip, if it's your first time sending to this address, it's better to try it out with a small amount to test it out first. That way, if something goes wrong, at least you won't lose everything, yeah? Okay, click Withdraw, check to make sure that you are sending to the right address, then click Confirm. Do all the verification and you are done. Depending on what crypto you are sending over, the transfer may take up to 30 minutes. So just wait a bit, yeah? And tada! The crypto has arrived in my Trezor. Next, I will also show you how to withdraw your crypto back out to an exchange. In your Trezor app, look for the crypto that you want to send. Click on it, click Send. You will then need an address to send to. So head over to your exchange, look for the crypto that you want to receive, click Receive. Choose the network, then you will get an address. Copy it, head back, paste it in. Choose the amount that you want to send over. Again, if it's your first time sending, enter in a smaller amount to test it out. For the fee, you can just leave it as normal. Click Review and Send. Then confirm on your Trezor. Now, you will just have to wait for the transfer to complete. If you want to check the status, you can just scroll down to see the transaction status. So that was a quick tutorial on how to use your Trezor. Now, here are some quick FAQs. 1. What happens if I lose my Trezor? Okay, the crypto is not stored in your Trezor. It's stored online on the blockchain. So just think of the Trezor as a key to your wallet. This means if you ever lose your Trezor, it's okay. As long as you have the seed backup, you'll be able to recover your crypto. So don't lose your backup key, yeah? Second, can your crypto value change when it's in the Trezor? Yes, the value can still change. Because if you have 1 Bitcoin in your Trezor, it will always be worth 1 Bitcoin. But of course, the value of that 1 Bitcoin will change depending on the market, yeah? So that was a quick FAQ. If you have any more questions, you can ask them down below and I will try to answer them. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hopefully, you find it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.